This is my mom, Mary. She's a true bird lover who enjoys seeing hummingbirds in our backyard. It takes technique and luck to attract them. Mom has mastered all things hummingbird related. She even won the 1997 Bumbleville Hummingbird Championship. Even she has spent countless hours trying to capture clear photos of our hummingbird visitors. Regular cameras and shaky hands just won't make it. Time to summon luck. The smart hummingbird feeder I designed to unlock the mysteries of hummingbirds. Now check out its modern vintage design and beautiful hand-blown glass. This glass Nectar bottle is handcrafted by experienced glassblowers, making each one a unique work. Oh, our smart feeder has a visitor. Let's see who it is. Taking clear action photos of our hummingbirds is now super easy with luck. We all love the crisp details and vibrant colors on these little guys' feathers. Oh, no, Johnny. Luck isn't just a doorbell camera strapped on a traditional feeder. It has a smart algorithm that recognizes hummingbirds in milliseconds and quickly focuses on them. Also, Luck's built-in AI will recognize who's in the frame. What a cute Allen's hummingbird here. What makes Luck truly special isn't only the camera. It has as much hummingbird knowledge as Mary. It tells you when to change the nectar and alerts you when water quality drops. First-time feeder? No worries. Luck guides you through the process via our app, step by step. It's your wingman for getting into hummingbird watching. Wingman, that's a good one. With this hummingbird knowledge database, if Luck competed in 1997, it might have won the championship too. Now, hummingbirds are not just for grandma, they are a treat for our whole family. Luck even connect to Alexa, so we can share the moment with the hummingbirds together. If you are a nature and hummingbird lover like us, please support our Kickstarter project today, and let's bring Luck home.